moving backwards.
Hello. Oh. I'm gonna have to readjust this along the way, aren't I? Okay. That's not the best. Okay.
I just don't understand the
There. This totally won't end badly.
Yo.
Yeah.
Do you want to join our connection?
Sure.
The barge. Put your kayak like we have ours and then come over here. I'll grab onto and move you over here.
I don't.
So then fix your kayak so it's like ours, or your little oar. Fix your oar.
Oh.
There we go.
What happens if I drop the oar?
You're fucked.
Then you're up a creek without a paddle.
Ah! Our barge.
I hope this video doesn't turn out too badly.
This fly keeps landing on my head.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
This is gonna destroy my data on my phone.
I was about to say.
I'm planning on just posting on
Slightly
YouTube and
turning.
deleting.
Probably because sector's oars.
Oh, we are turning.
Yeah, because the oars in the water.
Wait, so are you live streaming this so then if your phone dies or something, then it's in the cloud?
No, I'm just recording it.
Oh, okay.
If my phone dies, it'll just
Mason,
stop
did you get the
recording.
spider out?
But
America 11.0.
my phone's still at like 70% though, so I think I'm good.
Yeah, I think we are.
Uh-oh.
Oh, y'all freaking me out. I'm getting freaked out.
Yeah, there should be mirrors like on a car.
Imagine. I think we're slowly drifting
No, we
this
We
way.
are,
definitely are.
'cause this is the current.
Oh, dude, there's a stick.
Push forward.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Side.
You hold on, me and Hector will push forward.
We gotta go. We gotta sing whatever it's called, like colors or.
I'm holding on to you guys. You guys can do two-handed.
Yeah.
Advance.
Advance.
Forward!
The barge.
Let's do the whole river
Okay,
like
this is good right here. This is good. We can stop.
Okay. It keeps on going out of focus.
That sucks.
It does.
Oh shit. Okay.
Fell. It would be such a nice video if I could just get the camera to like work with. It doesn't fit. Come on. Almost.
Well, if you get that, then now
Yeah,
it's
there we
coming out.
go.
There you go.
I wonder if it was supposed to be that way the whole
I
time.
think so. My phone's
Probably.
just big.
And if you need to, you can put it in your back because you have a locking one.
Yeah, I have the waterproof.
Forward.
So
The
we're
barge
not
needs
going
to
forward.
Go actually, no, we're not. We're not going forward.
Yeah.
If you want to dip your paddle in and straighten us. Because if you put it in.
No, if I go like this, then it'll straighten. But if I go forward, it'll push us more.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay.
Oh, the duckweed is disgusting. It has like a bunch of tats on it.
Ugh.
Really? You don't want to eat the duckweed?
I love duckweed. Forward.
Just cook it up.
Guess who actually does love it?
We need to advance.
We do need to advance.
Oh.
Hector, advance.
I'm heading along.
This is a nice guy.
I'm full body.
Dude, I can't.
Okay, this is
Oh,
good right here.
wasp. Somebody's watching us?
Oh, come on. Wait, who's watching?
Oh, that's creepy.
I can send you guys out when I want to.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then you can go.
Catch.
Forward.
Torpedo.
Let's both over at the same time. It's like, uh-oh.
I know, but my speed is controlled by you guys.
Yeah. Well, right now it is.
I'm gonna try and do like no sudden movements. I tried it like the round way, but that kind of sucked for me, so I'm doing the sharp way.
That's what I'm doing as well.
I'm just using it.
Yeah, we're close.
It shouldn't tip though.
Unless you like force it. I've gone kayaking like 3 times. I've never seen one flip.
I think I've gone kayaking twice, but like the first time was with somebody and they did most of the work.
In my one of my kayaking, because I did a kayaking camp. I don't remember what happened, but we had to give my kayak to somebody else, so I didn't have a kayak, and so I just held on to another person's kayak, and it was fun as hell. Like they were just going while I was holding on.
Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Alright.
So the other day I was eating Takis and I inhaled the dust. My throat still hurts.
Oh, that's not good.
It's not even from the spice, it's just from the agitation of the particles.
I like how we're all just lining up.
Tedward? The king?
This is a very dangerous conglomeration.
Dude, I can keep moving forward in between you guys.
Yeah, why are you...
It could be like a catapult.
Launch.
I can launch you guys.
You're the sharp one. You should launch yourself.
Yeah, you should launch yourself, Sebastian.
You ready, boys? We gotta start turning.
No, we need to make you accelerate.
I'm so sorry. I'm not.
Oh, that's okay.
You ready? Actually, just keep turning. We can turn all.
Yeah. Okay. I
Whoa.
forgot which way I need.
Ready? I'm gonna shoot you back.
Uh-oh.
You go forward, Sebastian.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Oh.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
I won't. I'm not trying to.
Oh, that was kind of
Yeah, but there's a lot of people, so I can't do this.
Oh. Duckweed's terrible. Oh, shit. They're going.
I'm sorry, Hector. Oh, shit. Oh, hey, never mind. This is better. I can turn completely fine. We need to get on the other side of the stuff, guys.
Nah, it'll be fine. Oh, never mind. Wait. Okay. Oh, there's gonna get stuff on my phone.
I'm pushing both of us.
Yeah. I'll just go backwards a little bit.
Ian, don't shove me into the road.
Oh, there's wood.
I see crab. Go for it, guys. I got it. Dude, it's all on me right now, bro.
Same. I'm trying not to. It's a good idea. Uh-oh.
Dude, I would slow down, guys. There's a blockage up ahead.
Depressing. Who's yelling back there? Careful. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Daddy! We've got trees all the way across.
Oh. What? We just got it? Oh, shit. I put my hand in the fucking duckweed.
Hector.
Yeah. Don't go that way. There's even bigger trees over there. It's there's trees all the way across. What?
Always watching. The highway or what? How to pop one. So
Oh.
there's probably like serious kayaking.
Oh my god.
Oh.
There's a bee.
Coming in hot, Julia. You're turning right into
Jesus.
Okay. Sorry about that.
It's fine. I'm just gonna push you a little. You'll be fine. I'm getting soaked. I'm gonna get up to the front. It's pure fucking chaos.
If you tip to one side, the boat's gonna tip with you.
Yeah, so don't like lean.
That's too right, okay? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's fine. Okay. Alright, did you guys go insane up there? Oh my god. Okay. Can't even paddle. Yeah, okay, just stop paddling for a second so I can get away.
I'm so bad.
Why are you sideways?
I don't know.
She doesn't know what she's doing.
Ooh, there's pretty rocks. Okay.
Oh yeah.
My pants are wet though.
Mine are too from like the splash.
Yeah.
And like basically the inside of it.
Focus, come on. There we go.
Back sideways again.
Jesus Christ.
I am also.
Okay. I'm gonna just get away from all of you.
All the shit is hard.
Everyone's still alive, I think. I don't think so. I think
Addie and Izzy.
I think so.
Yeah, they're way back there. Yeah, they're trying to clean it.
Did they give us the go-ahead? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Michaela, where are you at?
Who said that?
Right on your left.
Oh shit.
Because we can't go too much further, then it's the Mississippi.
Oh. Oh, by the way, I'm recording this, so if you want me to send you like the video and stuff. Okay.
Will it be huge?
I'm just recording until we're done. So I'm just gonna post it on YouTube and then send it through that.
Okay. Works for me.
Alright.
You can find me on YouTube. Laurence is on there, so.
I was just gonna send it through email.
Sounds good. Alright. I think Claire is Speedy Gonzalez. Try to be Claire. She's the fastest. I'm not a race.
It's fine.
I barely crossed the starting line.
Uh-oh.
Amazing.
Why are you backward? Oh god.
Better get ready.
Julia, would you mind not?
I know, I'm sorry, Eden backed into me.
I can't stay straight.
I'm sorry.
It's
I apologize.
straight up.
Let me go right. Let me go
Oh, I'm going into a tree now.
Hold on.
We're going into a tree.
Oh, this. Okay.
So try to do equal sides and you're digging too deep with your paddle. Okay. Remember, top of the water. You don't want to go too deep.
I'm gonna try.
Michaela, please stop. I'm not trying. Yes, you are. No, I promise I'm not. You are trying. So even if you're going really, really in one direction, you're probably too much on one side. So going back, what I see you doing is digging on one side a lot.
Got in my face.
One on one side, one on another. And don't really go down really go surface. So want to see the edge of that oar or that paddle. Look at you two are kayaking. Good, Jay? I think so.
Uh-oh. Okay, what are, why?
I found some garbage.
Okay,
Oh, pick it up and throw it on the front or back of your,
they did.
I did.
Hi.
Enjoy all the little water bugs that are currently.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Just what I
And we didn't go too far close to the river, so there's still some area.
Yeah.
100% overall.
Okay.
They're amazing.
You know, Teddy.
I don't know how we're gonna get untangled.
Perfectly positioned.
Sebastian. Oh, are you talking about the sunglasses? The pip glasses?
That did not do anything.
No, it didn't.
The hot glue though is kind of melted a little bit, so
Has it? Might be time for some TLC.
a few of them are a little. When it gets really hot out, they'll get a little bendy.
Sebastian, do you know the lore behind
How
those?
are we gonna get out of these?
They were bent.
Oh, how are we gonna get out of the kayaks?
No, out of this.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh.
Like, yeah, my brother something where they.
I'm stuck until these people
Well,
move or
they
you
were
move.
bent, and then Ben left them in Teddy's car, and then they never
I'm
left.
planning on going that way.
Go this way, start backing yourself up, or make a way for this.
You got it first, because I'm out.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on, you have to wait, because there's a lot of people behind you.
I'm not planning on backing up. I'm going forward.
Yep, head that way.
Guys,
Addie, I'll work with you.
Julia, you going to Julia? You guys going to cross?
I don't have energy to get myself up and over the log.
Oh, you touched me with the floor.
Back there.
So who's going forward?
Okay, I'm trying to go forward. You
Okay.
guys keep blocking it.
Sorry.
And it keeps moving me off direction.
Okay. I would wait, Hector. Hector.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get in front of you, Hector and Caleb. I'm gonna get on the other side so I can surf.
Alright. So move backwards.
You're good. You just stay where you are.
Okay.
I can get myself around.
So you're
And then
going
Hector,
next.
I'm coming on your right.
So you're going after Sebastian?
Yep, I'm gonna go in front of you.
I was just making
Almost
sure
there.
that Raymond did.
You got it.
Alright, then you'll go, I'll go. Uh-oh.
Do you want to give me, like, I'm trying not to get it on you.
It's fine.
So hold on. Oh, this is what Sebastian was talking about. The big old stick.
Yeah, there's just a stick.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
You're in a tippy kayak. So,
What time are we turning back?
5-10 minutes?
We're only going to be out there for about 10 minutes.
I don't think you'll be able to get over it. Because those are really tippy. So we got about 5-10 minutes left, so if you guys wanna just explore around over there.
Maybe. Yeah, it's fine. Try not to hit you. It looks like it can work.
And then luckily, I can push you in the right direction.
Thanks.
Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Now it's pointing in the right direction.
Yay! We didn't get to go over, but. Oh my god, my paddle. Covered.
Accelerating.
Go fast.
I forgot how fast the thing was.
Yeah.
I was like a troll. I was like,
We kind of just went back and forth a couple of times. That's been the trip. Okay, I have to go to the bathroom.
I was already thinking about showering though before I got home.
Oh, you're.
On my online app, clock myself in for work, and I just not go to work right away. I can edit time, clock people out. Do whatever.
I'm so good right now. I literally started looking in the shorts. Well, it's too late now, Pookie. No, because if I no, it's not. Because I can still put them on.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a deep clean.
Okay, and then I'm sure you need it. Everything shower before you put it on there. Trust me. It's crazy. I know how to clean it.
Everything shower before you can.
Yes.
I mean, I guess it makes sense.
It's your fault.
I don't know. It's just so.
Well, one of the rooms up there, I don't know.
The other one is back down the log.
Honestly, I like it. Let's get it. Let's go swim it.
Are we turning around? Okay. I'm just gonna turn around.
God, Michaela, you were down. Look, not even a tap.
Don't knock your glass.
Yeah, I want to know how.
I won't this time.